In front of me is Black Shark 3, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select passwords and security. Here scroll down a bit, go to privacy and click on special app access. And if you would like to install unknown apps, just click here and you can give some particular applications permission. So for example, let me open the camera, and if you would like to allow from this source, just make the indicator active. You can do it for contacts or any other app that you would like to give this permission to. So basically all you have to do is to open this panel and then click on allow from this source after checking some particular app. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.